In this video lecture, we will be seeing questions on practice paper 2 maths of 2022 question paper of TS. So this question paper will be useful for all the class 10 students. So first we'll solve 8 marks questions and then we'll go to 2 marks and 1 mark questions. So in this video we'll be covering 8 mark questions without choice, okay, because you'll get practice for the board exams and pre-finals. Question 21. Find the sum of all 3-digit numbers which are multiples of 6. So here it is asking us to find out sum of all terms means I have to find out Sn, okay, and sum of all 3-digit numbers. We know what are 3-digit numbers. The numbers which have 3 digits are called as 3-digit numbers which are multiples of 6, okay. So 3-digit numbers which are multiples of 6, that first we have to find out, okay. So 3-digit numbers which are multiples of 6 are, so what is the smallest 3-digit number we have? Smallest 3-digit number we have is 100. But will 100 go in 6 table? No, it will not go. We know that because 6 ones are 6, 10 minus 6 is 40. 40 will not go in 6 table. What about 101? 101 will also not go in 6 table. See, 6 ones are 6, 4, 41 will not go. 6 ones are 6, 10 minus 6 is 4, 2, 6 sevens are 42. 42. That is 102 is a 3-digit number which is a multiple of 6, that is 102 is divisible in 6. So because 17 6 is a 102, we are getting remainder as 0. So first 3-digit number we got is 102 which is a multiple of 6, okay, because we got to know that 17 6 is a 102 just now by solving, okay. Multiples means the numbers when multiplied by 6, okay, any natural number when multiplied by 6 should be divisible, that is called as multiple, okay. Next we have 103 will not go because you will get 43 here. 104 will not go because you get 44 here. 105, 10 minus 6 is 4, 45 will not go, okay. 106, 46 will not go, 47 will not go, 48 will go because we know that 108, 6 ones are 6, 10 minus 6 is 48, 6 8s are 48. So 18 6 are 108. So what is the 3-digit number which is divisible by 6? Second number 108 we got. 8 plus 6 is 14. 114. 109. 49 will not go. 110. 110 will also not go. 110. 6 ones are 6. 50. 111 will not go in 6 table. Then 112 will not go. 113 will not go. 114 will go in 6 table because we know that 6 ones are 6, 11 minus 6 is 5, 4 down, 6 9s are 54, that is 19 6 are 54 and we are getting remainder as 0. So we can say that 114 is a multiple of 6 which is a 3-digit number. So 114 and so on. Now we have to see the last 3-digit number, okay. How to know the last 3-digit number? We know this, the largest 3-digit number is 999. Okay, so will 999 go in 6 table? 6 ones are 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9, 6 8s are 48, 6 7s are 42, 6 6 are 36, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9, 39 will not go. What about 98? 49 will get, it will not go. Then 997, 997, 6 ones are 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9, 6 6 are 36, 9 minus 6 is 3, 7, 6 6 are 36, it will not go. 996 will go, I think. 6 ones are 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9, 6 6 are 36, 9 minus 6 is 3, 6, yes, 36, 6 6 are 36. There is a largest 3-digit number which is a multiple of 6 is 996 we got. We saw that 999 will not go in 6 table, 998 will not go in 6 table, 997 will not go in 6 table. Then 996 will go in 6 table. We need 3-digit numbers. So we wanted to know what is the last term of the series. That is why we have reached We know the numbers which are less than 1000 will be the last terms of the series. How to know whether any number is a multiple or not? Simply divide that number with the 6 table and see. So if I wanted to see whether 997 is a multiple of 6 or not, means what to do? Divide this 997 with 6 and see whether you are getting remainder as 0 or not. If you are not getting remainder as 0, means it is not a multiple. If you will get remainder as 0, means that number will be a multiple. Okay, that is a tip which you have to use, okay, whenever you want to find out factors or multiples. So here, as it is telling us to find out the sum of number of terms, we don't know how many are number of terms n value. If you don't know what is the n value, then we cannot substitute it in the formula of Sn. So first find out number of terms n value. How to find out number of terms n value? By using the formula of nth term an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. But for this you need to write what is a. A is known as first term of the series, we got is 102, second term is 108, so common difference is a2 minus a1, that is nothing but 108 minus 102, that is 6, common difference. First term is 102, difference is 6, and what is the last term which is also called as an as well as l, that is 996. See here we got common difference is 6 and the last term an is equals to l, that is nothing but 996. Okay, now substitute all these in the formula. What is a an? We got 996 is equals to a is 102 plus n, we have to find out, minus 1 into d is 6. Now what to do? Simplify. Plus 106 if it comes this side, minus 102 plus, open this, 6 into n is 6n, 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. Here we should have is equals to, what is 996 minus 102? 996 minus 102, 6 minus 2, 4, 9, 9 minus 1 is 8, 894. Okay, now minus 6 also if it comes this side, plus 6 is equals to 6n. See, we did 996 minus 102 is 894, and minus 6 if it comes this side, plus 6 is equals to 6n. Now add 894 plus 6. 6 plus 4 is 10, 9 plus 1 is 10, 8 plus 1 is 9, 900. So 900 is equals to 6n, or n is equals to 900 as it is, into 6 if it comes this side, divided by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, 9 minus 6 is 30. 6 5s are 30, 6 zeros are 0. So we got the value of n, that is number of terms is 150. Now we can use the formula of Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus l to find out sum of all 3-digit multiples of 6. Sum of all 3-digit multiples of 6 are Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus l. When is this formula used? When we know the value of n, when we know the value of a, and when we know the value of l. Okay, that is equals to, what is n we got? 150 by 2 into a we got is 102 plus l is 996. So that is nothing but 150 by 2 into, add this 102 plus 996. 6 plus 2 is 8. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1098. Now divide this. 2 ones are 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 0 is 1 8. See, 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 0 is 1 8. 2 9s are 18. We get 549 into 150. Multiply and see what is 549 into 150. 9 zeros are 0, 0 4s are 0, 0 5s are 0, 5 9s are 45, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 4 is 24, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 2 is 26, 27, 45, 5 5s are 20, 20 plus 4 is 24, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 2 is 26, 27, 1 9s are 9, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5. Okay. Here it should be 9, 4, 5. Add them. 0 as it is, 5 plus 0 is 5, 9 plus 4 is 13, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, 5 plus 2 is 6, 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. So we get 82,350. That is the sum of number of terms, that is sum of multiples of 6. 8, 2, 3, 5, 0, we got the answer. See, this concept is very important, sum of number of terms, because we saw that in practice paper 1 also, a question to find out sum of number of terms was asked, and in this practice paper also sum of number of terms is asked. So practice this formula well. And we have one more formula of Sn, right? Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d. This is also used to find out sum of number of terms, but this is used when number of terms n value is known and first term and common difference is known. First term common difference everyone will know, but number of terms, if it is known, we can directly use this formula. If number of terms is not given and last term is given, we can use this formula. Sn is n by 2 into a plus l. First term and last term is given. Here we don't require the last term of the series. Again, this question, 22nd question, draw the graph of the polynomial p of x is equals to x square minus 3x minus 4 and find the zeros. This question is also very important because this question was asked in practice paper 1 also, to draw the graph of the polynomial of a quadratic equation. Okay, so practice these type of questions well. First, what did I told you? To draw the graph, first find out the verification of zeros. Okay, so finding out verification of zeros. What is the quadratic equation given to us? X square minus 3x minus 4. How to verify the zeros? Either you can use splitting the middle term or you can use the formula of quadratic formula. Okay, so here we have to compare this with ax square plus bx plus c. What is a? 1. What is b? Minus 3. What is c? Minus 4. And you have to see what is sum, what is product. Sum will be b term, that is nothing but minus 3 here, and product will be a term into c term. A here is 1 and c here is minus 4. So product is minus 4. So we know that 4 ones are 4 and also 4 minus 1 is 3. So we can choose the factors as 4 and 1. But what about the sign? Always see the sign of the sum. Okay, here the sign of the sum s is minus. So choose the bigger number sign as minus. Okay, and the other number as plus, because minus into plus, here for the product we need minus. So what are my factors? Minus 4 and plus 1 are my factors, because minus 4 plus 1 will give me minus 3 and also minus 4 into plus 1 will give me minus 4. Okay, see this question same I have solved in practice paper 1 as well as I have solved before in a separate video also. You can go and check it out. Okay, it is there in the playlist of polynomials on my channel. Then what to do? We have got the factors as minus 4 and plus 1. So in place of minus 3x, write down minus 4x and plus 1x. So x square minus 4x plus 1x minus 4 equated with 0 to find out zeros of the polynomial. Now from this x square and this minus 4x, 1x is common. What is left inside the bracket? X. Here what is left inside the bracket? Minus 4. Whatever we get here, x minus 4, same thing right here also, x minus 4 is equals to 0. From 1x and minus 4, plus 1 is common, because plus 1 into x is 1x and plus 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. So now x plus 1 you should write in one bracket and x minus 4 you should take common in another bracket. Okay, so we get x plus 1 into x minus 1 is 0, or x plus 1 is equals to 0 and x minus 4 is also equal to 0. So we get x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 4. So we get the factors as minus 1 and plus 4. That is, we get the zeros as minus 1 and plus 4. So what to do is, here we will draw in the table, we will use minus 1 and 4 also. And we will equate this to y is equals to, okay, x, y. So here we have, first we will substitute for x is equals to 0. Okay. For x is equals to 0 we get y is equals to, what is x? 0 square minus 3 into 0 minus 4. 0 square is 0 minus 0 minus 4. We get y is equals to minus 4. Then we will take for x is equals to minus 1. Y is equals to, substitute in this, minus 1 whole square minus 3 into minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Minus into minus is plus. 3 ones are 3 minus 4. 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So we get when x is minus 1, y is 0. Okay, now take for x is equals to plus 1. Okay, y is equals to 1 square minus 3 into, and we are substituting in this, in place of x substitute 1. 1 minus 4, 1 square is 1, minus 3 minus 4, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 4 we get minus 6. So we get when x is 1, y is minus 6. See, for x is equals to 1, y is equals to, in place of x substitute 1. So 1 square minus 3 into 1 minus 4. 1 square is 1, minus 3 1s are 3, minus 4. 1 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 2 minus 4 means we should add 4 plus 2 is 6, bigger number sign is minus 6. So we get when x is 1, y is minus 6. Now find out for x is equals to 4, okay. Y is equals to, why are we taking x is equals to 4 directly? Because we know that one of the zeros is 4. Already we took for minus 1. So y is equals to, minimum 4 points we need, 0, minus 1, 1 and 4. X is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 1, x is equals to 1, x is equals to 4. 4 points we have. I think we can draw the graph from these 4 points. If we are not able to draw the graph from these 4 points, then we'll add one more point, okay. So for x is equals to 4, substitute in place of x 4, 4 square minus 3 into 4 minus 4. We get y is equals to 4 4s are 16, minus 3 4s are 12, minus 4. So we get 16 minus 12 is 4, minus 4, that is 0. So we get when x is 4, y 0. Substitute all these points in the table which we have drawn, okay. When x is 0, we had y is equals to minus 4, okay. What we got, I am writing that. When x is minus 1, we got y is 0. When x is 1, we got y is minus 6. When x is 4, we got y is 0. See how I have written these points? Like this. When x is 0, y is minus 4. When x is minus 1, y is 0. When x is plus 1, y is minus 6. When x is 4, y is 0. That all I have written in the table. Now see here I don't have a graph, okay. But in exam you have to do on graph only. So I am going to do on paper. You know that on the graph you will have two axes, x-axis and y-axis. So how will you draw these points? You have very small numbers, 0, minus 1, 1, 4, minus 4, 0, minus 6, 0. But the maximum value on y-axis is minus 6. Means if this is my axis, I should take minus 6 below the axis. So I will draw the x-axis in the middle of the graph, okay. Suppose this is my graph, means I will draw the x-axis in the middle. Here, this is my x-axis, okay. X values all are small only, and only one value is minus 1, others are 4. So here I can take this as y-axis, minus x-axis, plus y-axis, minus y-axis, this is 0. See, on the graph you will have all the boxes will be of 1 centimeter. So here also I will draw the boxes of 1 centimeter only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. I am taking only 3 points here because here I need only minus 1. Then here also I will take 4 points because I need here I will take 6 points on y-axis because I need y is equals to minus 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us write 1, 2, 3, 4 positive x-axis, minus 1, minus 2 negative x-axis, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 positive y-axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 negative x-axis, negative y-axis. We get when x is 0, y is minus 4. When x is 0, y is minus 4 means this is my point, 0, comma, minus 4. Next point is when x is minus 1, y is 0. X is minus 1, y is 0 means this is my point, minus 1, comma 0. Next point is when x is 1, y is minus 6. X is 1, y is minus 6 means this is my point, 1, comma minus 6. Next we have when x is 4, y is 0. When x is 4, y is 0 means this is my point. X is 4, y is 0 means it lies on the x-axis, 4, comma 0. Now what to do? Join all these points together in such a way that we should get a U-shaped curve. Why it should be U-shaped curve? Because we know that the degree of the polynomial we have is 2. So join them very carefully. Extend it. See, I got a U-shaped curve here, and write the equation on the graph. Y is equals to x square minus 3x minus 4, and always write the scale on the graph. So scale is on x-axis, we get 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter we took, because 1, 2, 3, 4, and also on y-axis we took 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter. 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter. Okay, this is answer number 22, okay, of the practice paper. So always write the answer number also. Okay, and we know that from this graph we get the zeros. Okay, what are zeros? Zeros are the points, okay, of the graph which cut the x-axis. So the graph is cutting the x-axis at this point and at this point, that is at minus 1 and 4, and it is verified also, because in verification also we get the zeros are minus 1 and 4. Okay, so we know that we are doing correctly. Get from the graph, we should write from the graph, zeros are minus 1 comma 4. That is, when x is minus 1 we get y 0, and when x is 4 y is also 0. Okay, this is how you do a question based on drawing a graph of a quadratic equation. Okay, and to find out zeros from graph. 23rd question, find the points of trisection of the line. Points of trisection means 3 points you have to find out, okay, which are there on the line, and the points are given as 2 comma minus 3 and minus 5 comma 2. So from this question it means that there is a line, okay, the line is having points A, let it be 2 comma minus 3, and B, let be minus 5 comma 2. Then this line has 3 points it is telling. So we have to find out the points. Okay, that is, this point we have to find out, this point we have to find out, and also this point we have to find out. That is the meaning of points of trisection. Points of trisection means the points which divide the line segment into 3 parts, 1 part, 2 part, and points of trisection means the points which divide the line segment into 3 parts. So we have 1 point, 2 point, this is not a point. Okay, this we don't have to find out. Only these 2 points we have to find out. 1 point, 2 point, because 1 part, 2 part, 3 parts. So these are the points of trisection. Okay, so here you have to find out the coordinates of this point, and this point means let this be P, let this be Q. Okay, so we'll write, let the points of trisection be P and Q. Now remember, I told you that whenever a line segment is dividing we have to use the section formula, m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, so what is that m1 and m2? m1 and m2 is the ratio. So here see, it is a and b, 2 comma minus 3, and what is this, minus 5 comma 2. There are 2 points here, right? That is, here it is 1 part, and here how many parts are remaining? 2 parts are remaining, because 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is the ratio for this point P? The ratio for this point P is nothing but 1:2. That is, m1 here is 1 and m2 here is 2. How did we get to know? See, I told you this point is dividing this line segment into 3 parts, right? So 1 part, and this is 2 parts. So m1 is 1 and m2 is 2. So here we have to use the section formula, P is equals to, using section formula, I'll write the section formula once. We'll use it to find out both coordinates P and Q, but we'll write the formula only once. In exam also you can write once only. m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, so P is equals to, substitute, what is m1 we got? 1. This is x1 by 1, x2 y2. Okay, m1 into x2. x2 here is minus 5 plus m2 here is 2 into y1 here is minus 3 by m1 plus m2. m1 here is 1 plus 2, that x2 plus m2, x1 it is. x1 here is 2. So 2 2s are 4 we have here. 5 plus 4 is 9 we get, minus 9 by 3 we get. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Similarly, find out m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 is 1 into y2 is 2 plus m2 y1. m2 here is 2 into y1 here is minus 3 by m1 plus m2, 1 plus 2. That is nothing but minus 4 comma minus 5 comma minus 4 by 3. So let us solve this. 1 2s are 2, plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6 by 2 plus 1 3. 6 minus 2 is 4, right? 6 minus 2 is minus 4 by 3 as it is. So we get the first coordinate to the pointer. Minus 3 comma minus 4 by 3. Now similarly find out the coordinates of Q. A, B, this P we have found out. Now we have to find out the coordinates of Q, means Q is here. Means what is this for Q? How many parts are this? 1 plus 1 part. That is 2 parts are here. Is 2. How many parts are remaining from Q to B? 1 part is remaining. So we got M1 is 2 and M2 is 1 for the coordinates of Q. Second point. Okay, 2 parts is to 1 part. That is how you take the ratio. So for Q, and what is A given to us? 2 comma minus 3 and minus 5 comma 2. Okay, as formula we have to use m1x plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. Substitute. What is m1 here? 2 into what is, this is x1 y1 x2 y2. What is x2? Minus 5 plus m2 is 1 into x1 is 2 by m1 plus m2 is m1 is 2 plus m1 is 2 and m2 is 1 comma m1 y2. m1 is 2 into y1 is minus 3 plus m2 is 1 into y1 is minus 3. y2 is 2 here. m1 y2, m1 2 y2 2 plus 2. y2 is 2 plus m2 is 1 here and y1 is minus 3 here by 2 plus 1. So we have 2 5s are 10 plus 2 1s are 2 by 3 comma 2 2s are 4 plus into minus is minus 3 1s are 3 by 2 plus 1 is 3. We get minus 10 plus 2 is 8. So minus 8 by 3 comma 4 minus 3 is 1. We get the points are minus 8 by 3 comma 1 by 3 for Q. Okay. So what can we write? Therefore, points of trisection. In the question you're told to find out points of trisection are, right? Points of trisection are P, we get minus 3 comma minus 4 by 3. So minus 3 comma minus 4 by 3 and Q minus 8 by 3 and comma 1 by 3. This is how we solve points of trisection question. 24th question. Prove that 5 root 2 minus root 3 is an irrational number. Whenever such type of questions are given, you have to assume this as either A by B or P by Q. It's your wish. So we will write, let 5 root 2 minus root 3 is equals to P by Q, where P and Q are integers and co-prime numbers and Q not equal to 0. This statement is common for all the questions in which we have to prove the number is irrational number. So let 5 root 2 minus root 3 is equals to P by Q, where P and Q are integers and co-prime numbers and Q not equal to 0. Okay, next what to do? Send this minus root 3 that side, it becomes 5 root 2 is equals to p by q plus root 3. First solve this by taking LCM. LCM of q and 1 is q. Q divided by q is 1. 1 into p is p plus q by 1 is q. Q into root 3 is root 3q. Now send this into phi this side. It becomes root 2 is equals to p plus root 3q by phi q. If you observe this question, we get to know that whenever root is there on LHS and whenever root is there on RHS, you square on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Root 2 whole square is equals to p plus root 3q whole square, and also send this divided by phi q this side. So it becomes into phi q square. Now what does it become? Phi square is 25. Root 2 into root 2 means it will be into 2. Q square is as it is equals to, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab. A here is p, b here is root 3q. 2ab plus b square. Okay, now 25 2s are 50, so we have 50q square is equals to p square plus 2p into root 5q plus, here also root and square will get cancelled, so we are left with 3q square. Okay, now what we can do? Send the 3q square terms and pq square terms that side. So it becomes p for 50q square, okay, minus p square. Send this plus 3q square also that side, it becomes minus 3q square is equals to 2p root 5q. Now we need root 5 on RHS and all the remaining terms also on LHS. So it becomes 50q square minus p square minus 3q square by 2p into q is equals to root 5. So remember, whatever questions are asked here, right? Here it was, we have to prove phi root 3 minus root 3 is irrational, but it can ask prove that root 5 is irrational or prove that 1 by root 2 is irrational. Whatever the things are there, this is common here. And whenever you have two roots in the question, remember compulsory you have to keep one root on LHS and send the other root on RHS. See, we had two roots here, so we had sent the other root on RHS. And then after sending the root on RHS, what is the next step? Whenever two roots are there in the question, squaring on both sides. So now finally we have observed that this is of the form of this. See how is the numerator? This numerator is 50q square minus p square minus 3q square, and what is the denominator here? 2pq. That is, we can observe that this total here is p, okay, and this total here is q, or we can observe that this total is a and this total is what? B. So it is a form of a by b, okay, a by b total. So we know that a by b or whatever p by q, see this whole is p and this whole is q. See, this is a form of p by q, means this is rational, and here we have irrational number, because compulsory we know that already root 5 is irrational. Everyone knows that root 5 is irrational. Okay, but here what are we getting? We are getting this is numerator by denominator form. What is numerator by denominator form? Rational number, right? Numerator by denominator is a by b form. So here we can write 50q square minus p square minus 3q square by 2pq is rational. Now why is it rational? Just now I told you, because we don't have any root in numerator, we don't have any root in denominator. So remember, in all the questions, until you don't get the root in numerator and denominator, you have to continue doing the steps. Okay, so if this is rational, but here we have irrational, so it is contradicting. How can rational number be equal to irrational number? So this statement is contradicting. So we can write, but root 5 is irrational. Hence this contradicts the fact that, but root 5 is irrational. So we can write, this contradicts the fact that, why is it contradicting? Because how can rational number become equal to irrational number? So this contradicts the fact that, root 5 is irrational. Hence our assumption is wrong. Write all these steps are same for all the sums. Hence our assumption, except these steps, the introduction part and the concluding part is same for all the sums whenever you have to prove it is an irrational number. Remember this. So this contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational, hence our assumption is false. Therefore, 5 root 2 minus root 3 is an irrational number. Okay, hence proved. Okay, see, you will get these questions if you practice well. So my suggestion to you is practice this 2 or 3 times by writing. Okay, until and unless you practice, you don't get. If 25th question, if cosecant theta plus cot theta is p, then prove that cos theta is equals to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. Here there was a printing mistake in the question paper. Actually it is p only here. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is p. Okay, so what is it given? The value of cosecant theta plus cot theta is given as some variable, and you have to prove that this cos theta is equals to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. I'll give you a hint. This is a type of model of question where you have to use the trigonometric identity cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. How did I get to know that I have to use that identity? Because here cosecant theta plus cot theta is given, so we can use the trigonometric identity cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. See, you have to remember these identity. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? Formula a plus b into a minus b. So here a is cosecant theta and b is cot theta. So what can I write? Cosecant theta, I am writing in this RHS form for this identity. Cosecant theta plus cot theta, that is a plus b into a minus b. Cosecant theta minus cot theta is how much? 1. But what is this value given to us? Cosecant theta plus cot theta in the question p. So I will write this as p into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equals to 1. Okay, now send this into p that side. So we get cosecant theta minus cot theta is equals to 1 as it is. Into p, if it goes outside, becomes divided by p. Let this be equation 2. Okay, and let this be equation 1 which is given. Okay, so what we can do here, add equation 1 and equation 2. So add equation 1 and 2. Add LHS plus LHS, add RHS plus RHS. What is LHS here? Cosecant theta plus cot theta plus, because we have to add cosecant theta minus cot theta is equals to, what do we have here? P plus, what do we have here? 1 by p. Now cosecant theta plus cosecant theta is 2 cosecant theta plus cot theta minus cot theta will get cancelled because they have opposite signs. One is plus, one is minus, and both are same, so both will get cancelled. Take out the LCM of this. What do we get? LCM of p and 1 is p. P divided by 1 is p. P into p is p square plus p divided by p is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. Now send this into 2 that side. It becomes cosecant theta is equals to p square plus 1 by 2p. But in the question it is asking the value of cos theta. So I can write this cosecant theta in terms of sin theta. What is cosecant theta? Cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. I can write this as 1 by sin theta is p square plus 1 by 2p. Now what to do? Inverse this. Okay, that is send this reciprocal. Do the reciprocal for this on LHS as well as RHS. That is 1 by sin theta. I can write this as sin theta by 1. Sin theta by 1 is sin theta only. Similarly, send this 2p up, send this p square plus 1 down. That is, we are reciprocating here also on RHS reciprocal. So it becomes 2p by p square plus 1. Next, what do? Square on both sides. See, why am I squaring on both sides? Because I know that sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. And the answer which we require is cos theta. That is why to write sin theta in terms of cos theta, first I will square on both sides so that sin theta becomes sin square theta, and then I can write that as 1 minus cos square theta. If I don't square it, I cannot write because in the identity I have sin square theta. Okay, so squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, it becomes sin square theta is equals to, whenever you square on both sides, numerator will also get squared, denominator will also get squared. So it becomes 2p squared by p square plus 1 whole square. Now this is nothing but sin square theta is equals to 2 square is 4, p square is as it is in the form of a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? We already know. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So compare this p square with a, compare this 1 with b. That is, here a is p square and b is 1. So write in the RHS form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we have p square plus 2 into p square plus 1. And here we have 2 into a into b. P square whole square is nothing but p power 4. Okay. P square whole square. See here. P square whole square is nothing but 2 plus 2. 4 you will have, right? That is how we got here p power 4. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A here is p square. So a was only p square. So a square will become p square whole square. That is nothing but p power 4. Okay. Now what can we do? This sine square theta will become, see here we have an identity. I'll tell you. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So from this identity we can derive the formula of cos square theta. Cos square theta becomes 1 as it is, plus sine square theta. If we send this side, it becomes minus sine square theta. So in place of sine square theta, here I need sine square theta, right? So what can I do? Sine square theta, from this identity I can send this cos square theta that side, so it becomes 1 minus cos square theta. So in place of sine square theta I'll write 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta is equals to 4p square by p power 4 plus 2p square plus 1. Now what we can do, send this minus cos square theta that side and send this 4p square by p power 4 plus 2p square plus 1 this side. So it becomes 1 minus 4p squared by p power 4 plus 2p squared plus 1 is equals to cos square theta. Now take out the LCM. LCM of p power 4 plus 2p squared plus 1 is nothing but this denominator divided by this 1 is nothing but this same thing only, and that multiplied by 1 is also the same thing. That is, we get p power 4 plus 2p squared plus 1 here, and here what do we have? P power 4 plus 2p square plus 1 divided by p power 4 plus 2p square plus 1 will get cancelled. So 1 into 4p square is 1 into minus 4p square is minus 4p square is equals to cos square theta. So here we have p power 4 plus, here it is plus 2p square minus 4p square, minus both are p square. So we can subtract the coefficients. Here we have plus 2, here we have minus 4. 4 minus 2 is 2 and bigger number sign is minus. So we have p power 4 minus 2p square plus 1 by p power 4 plus 2p square plus 1 is equals to cos square theta. In the final question, what we had to prove? We have to prove cos square theta is p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. So again comparing this with a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is a square minus 2ab plus b square? A minus b whole square. Okay, this form is given to us. We have to write it in this form. So we can write this as, if we use the formula a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, this form. So it is a minus b whole square. What is a square here? A square is p power 4. So what will be a here? A will be p square, because only if we do p square whole square we are getting p power 4. A square is only p power 4. So what is a here? P square. So we can write this numerator as p square, okay, minus b square we have here, a minus b whole square. What is b here if you compare? B is 1 here, plus 1 square can be written as 1. So compare this, 2 into a is p square, b is 1. 2 ones are 2, that is why we got p power 4 minus 2p square plus 1. So p square minus b square we have, so p square minus 1 by, again what is it? This is the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is a square plus 2ab plus b square? A plus b whole square, right? So what is a square if you compare here? A square is p power 4, 2 as it is, a is p square, b was 1 plus b square is 1. So here we get that a is what here if you compare with this identity? A is p square. So we need a plus b whole square, right? A is p square plus b square we need here, a plus b whole square. So b here is what? B here is 1. So is equals to cos square theta. This only we had to prove. that cos square theta is p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. Hence proved. See, it is so simple. You have to just practice. If you're not understanding, rewind it, okay, and understand it. If still you have any doubts, you can comment below. See, we have a similar triangles construction question now, but before that we'll do 27th question first. It is also 8 marks question, and we'll do the similar constructions in the last, okay, of the video. So 27th question is 2 die are thrown simultaneously. It means that we are going to throw 2 die at the same time. We have to write all the possible outcomes. Possible outcomes means which are possible, and hence find the probability that the sum of the numbers appearing on the top of the die is more than or equal to 9. First, it is telling that write all the possible outcomes when 2 die are thrown. So we have to write a table. We have a table when 2 die are thrown. What is the table? I'll tell you. See, 2 die are thrown means first on the first die it can be 1 and on the second die it can be 1. Similarly, on the first die it can be 1, second die 2, then first die 1, second die 3, first die 1, second die 4, okay, fifth die 1, second die 5, first die 1 and second die again 6. Means first die, these are all the possible outcomes. Means either we can get 1 on the first die, second on the 1 on the second die, 1 on the first die, 2 on the second die, 1 on the first die, 3 on the second die, 1 on the fourth die, 4 on the second die when we throw it, okay, or we can get 2 on first die, 1 on second die. Similarly, 2, 2, 2, 3, write in order, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. We can get only till 6 because we know the numbers on the die are only from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the numbers appearing on the die. Why are we writing comma? Because this is for first die, this is for second die. These are all the possible outcomes. It told me to write all the possible outcomes since it is the 8 mark question. Next, similarly, I can write 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Next, the first die it can be 4, second die 1. So 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Similarly, write for 5 and 6 also. That is on the when the 5 is there on the first die, what are the possible outcomes? We'll write that 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Then we'll write the possible outcomes when we have 6 on the first die. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. These are all the possible outcomes when 2 die are thrown. Okay, so we'll get 2 marks if you write this. Next, remaining 6 marks for the remaining part of the question. Everything should be drawn in a box. Draw with scale, okay, in exam. Now, what is it asking in the question? Observe the question. You have to find the probability that the sum of the numbers means we have to add the numbers appearing on the 2 die and it should be more than or equal to 9. Some should be either equal to 9 or some should be either greater than 9. So when do we have sum equal to 9 here? 4 plus 5 is 9 and also 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, and equal or more than it is telling, and also here we have 3 plus 6 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9. All these will give us sum as 9. See, 3 plus 6 9, 4 plus 5 9, 5 plus 4 9, 6 plus 3 9. Then 4 plus 6 10, 5 plus 5 10, 6 plus 4 10. 10 is also more than 9. Then 5 plus 6 11 and 6 plus 5 11. 11 is more than 9. Then 6 plus 6 12, 12 is more than 9. So these are the favorable outcomes which give us sum more than or equal to 9. So what can we write here? Therefore, favorable outcomes is equals to, write all these which we have, 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4, 6, 3, next 4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 4. I am seeing here and writing. I am writing like this in diagonal way. Okay. 6, 5, 6, 6. How many are there? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 we are having. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What did I miss? 5, 6. Okay. So how many are number of variable outcomes? Number of variable outcomes means I have to count how many are they. So they are nothing but 1. This is one variable outcome. That is 3 plus 6. I am getting 9. 4 plus 5, 9. This is second variable outcome. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, here also I can count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why am I adding them? Because it is telling sum of the numbers appearing on the top of the die is more than or equal to 9. So how many we got? We got 10 here. These are 10 in number. So number of variable outcomes is 10. And how many are total outcomes? Remember, whenever 2 die are thrown, the formula is 6 power n. N is the number of times the die is thrown. So we get n here is how many times die is thrown? 2 times. Total possible outcomes is 6 power n. That is nothing but n is 2 here. 2 times it is thrown. 6 square is 36. We have our total number of outcomes we have is, these are total outcomes, sorry, not total probability. Total outcomes is 6 power 2, that is 36. So now substitute in the formula of probability. We know probability is equals to number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Now what was the number of favorable outcomes we got? 10 by total outcomes we have is 36. So substitute here 36. Okay, both will go in 2 table. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 6, 2 8s are 16. So we get the probability is 5 by 18 when 2 die are thrown and when we get the sum equal to 9 or more than 9. 28th question. If the median of 30 observations given below is 57, okay, that is number of observations given to us are 30 and median value given to us is 57, we have to find out A and B. Class interval is given to us and frequency is given to us, and in the frequency you can observe that we have A and B, and in the question it is asking us to find out A and B only. So we have to use the formula of median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. This second column is of frequency. We have to also write the cumulative frequency column in case of median. Okay, so remember, whenever in the question it is asking us to find out median, you have 3 values, 3 columns: class interval, frequency and cumulative frequency. These are the 3 columns you have in case of median. Remember it. What is class interval? 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75. Next, what is the frequency given to us? 2, 3, A, 5, 6, D and 2. And how to find out CF? This will be same. This will be 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus A. Then we have 5 plus 5 plus A. 5 plus 5 is 10, so 10 plus A. Then we have 10 plus 6 is 16, so 16 plus A. Then we have 16 plus A plus B, and this is equal to 16 plus 2 is 18. So 18 plus A plus B. So 3 columns we have written: class interval, frequency and CF. How did we do? First row will be as it is 2. Then we should add this: 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus A, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus A, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus A plus B we have. 16 plus 2 is 18 plus A plus B. Now this total observations given to us are nothing but are 30. So total answer is 30, n is equals to 30. And here it is given the value of median is 57. So if median value is given in the question, simply see in the class interval column where 57 lies, in between which 2 limits. So we can clearly see that 57 lies between 55 to 60. So what is my median class here? My median class is 55 to 60. Why is my median class 55 to 60? Because 57 value is given as median and that 57 lies between 55 and 60. So what can I write here? Therefore, median class is equals to 55 to 60. So from this we can write the lower limit of median class L is equals to How much? 55. This is known as lower limit. L, we know the formula of median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So here what is the n by 2 value we have? N is given as 30, so n by 2 will be equal to 30 by 2. That is 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 0, 2 5s are 10. So we get the n by 2 value as 15. Now L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. What is CF? CF is the cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. Means if this is my median class, this will be my CF value. Always remember. Okay, and what will be frequency? Frequency will be, F will be frequency of the median class. Okay, this will be F, this will be CF preceding. CF is cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class, that is equals to how much it is given as? Phi plus A. And what is F here? F is phi. So F is equals to frequency of median class, that is equals to phi here. Now what is L plus F1, L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. What is H? H is the class size. Here we can see that the difference between 45 minus 40 is 5. H class size means difference between upper limit minus lower limit. So H is class size, that is equals to 5 here. So we have written all the values. L, okay, L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. That is, all the values are there. Now we can use the formula and substitute. Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Substitute in this formula. Okay, and now what is L given to us? 55. Substitute 55 plus median is also given in the question, 57. N by 2 is given as 15 minus CF we got is 5 plus A by F we got is 5, okay, into H. H here is given as 5, right? So send this plus 55 that side, becomes 57 minus 55, okay, plus 15. Now this is minus 5 plus A. So we can write this as minus 5 minus A by 5, okay, into 5. 57 minus 5 is 2, okay. Take out the LCM of this. LCM of 5 and 1 is 5. 5 divided by 1 is 5. 5 into 15 is 75. Minus 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 into minus A is minus A into 5. Here we have 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. So we get 2 is equal to 75 minus 5. What is 75 minus 5? 70. So 70 minus A we have. So here we can get the value of A. Send this minus A that side, becomes plus A. Plus A is equals to 70 as it is, plus 2 if it comes this side, minus 2. So we get A is equals to 68. It told us to find out B also, na? How to find out B value? This value which we have here, this will also be equal to number of observations n here, okay. So here 18 plus A plus B is equal to how much? 30, because this value, last column, will be equal to n value, okay. N is equals to 18 plus A plus B. N is given as 30 in the question, is equals to 18 plus, what is A given to us? 68 plus B. So we can easily find out B value here. 30 is equals to, what is 18 plus 68? 86 plus B, or B is equals to 30 minus 86, or B is equals to, what is 86 minus 30? 56. So we got B is 56 and A is 68. Therefore A is 68 and B is 56. 26th question. Construct a triangle of sides 5 cm, 5 cm and 7 cm. Then construct a triangle similar to it whose sides are 3 by 4 of the corresponding sides of first triangle. Before starting this question, I would like you to observe that in practice paper 1, constructions of circle was given, that is from the chapter tangents and secants, and in this practice paper 2, a question on similar triangles is given. So from these two questions, any one question will be given, either to draw a pair of tangents to a circle or to construct a similar triangle with the ratio of proper fraction. Proper fraction means a fraction in which numerator is less than denominator. This will be given to you. Okay, so here three sides are given, 5 cm, 5 cm and 7 cm. Let this side be AB, let this side be BC, let this side be CA. So first draw a rough diagram whenever such type of questions are given to you. So let us suppose here AB is how much? 5 cm and BC is also 5 cm and CA is 7 cm. Okay, there you have to draw with a compass, and then we have to construct a similar triangle. How to construct a similar triangle? You have to draw a ray. Okay, that is nothing but it is equal to, this is C, BX. Okay, and then how many parts you have to divide it into? 4 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let this be A1, let this be A2, let this be A3, let this be A4. Then we will be joining A4 and B. Okay, and then since we have 3 parts here, we will be joining from a scale a line parallel to A4B from A3 to AB such that it cuts at B dash. Similarly, what do? This is my BC, right? Draw a line parallel to BC such that from B dash it cuts to C dash. So therefore A, B dash, C dash will be my required similar triangle which it is asking, because we see that A, B dash, C dash will be smaller when compared to A, B, C. Right, this is how you have to do. This was rough diagram. Now I will draw with compass and show you how to do. So constructing a triangle with sides, first 5 cm. So from this is 5 cm, right? This is, let us suppose it is AB, which is nothing but it is equal to 5 cm. Now here BC is 5 and CA is 7. So from compass take 5 cm from B and draw an arc. Next we have another side is 7 cm. So from A again draw an arc in such a way that it is 7 cm. Where these two arcs meet, name that point as C. And join AC and BC. First, this is my triangle, okay, which is given to me. This is 5 cm. And this is 7 cm. Now what to do? Draw a ray AX in such a way that it makes an acute angle with AB. Next, here you have to take some arcs, okay. So drawing the arcs here, this is A1, this is A2, this is A3 and this is A4. When you draw these arcs, don't change the radius. See, I'm not changing the radius. I'm holding it at this point. Okay. So here I need to extend this ray X because here I'm getting the arc. So I'll extend it. Okay, with scale only I'll extend. Okay, this is my ray AX. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3 and this is A4. Okay, I'll write here A4. Next, what to do? Since it is telling me in denominator 4, I will join A4 and B. Next I will join A3 and B, since there is 3 parts here. See, you will draw a line which is parallel to this A4B in such a way that it meets it at here. Let this be how much? This is my B dash. Okay. Next, what to do? From B dash, draw a line parallel to BC such that it meets AC at C dash. So I am going to draw a line parallel to BC now. Draw a line parallel to BC, okay, in such a way that it meets AC at C dash. Therefore, here I got, this is my required triangle. Which triangle? AB and AB dash C dash is my required triangle here. So here I see that when compared to this bigger triangle ABC, AB dash C dash is smaller triangle. Why it is smaller? Because it has to be in the parts of 3 by 4. So done, construction is done. So it's very easy. So here don't miss this question if it comes in exam. See, I'll explain you the steps of construction also you have to write. Okay, what did we do initially? We have taken AB is equals to 5 centimeter. Okay, so construct a triangle with sides AB is equals to 5 centimeter, BC is equals to 5 centimeter, AB is equals to 5 centimeter. You have to write that because that you are taking with scale. And then BC and AC you are taking on compass. You are measuring 5 centimeter on compass. Okay, and you are drawing an arc by keeping it on B. Okay, and then again you are keeping on A and drawing an arc of 7 centimeter. Where these two arcs cut, that is my C. I am joining ABC. So first ABC triangle is given. From ABC triangle, after construction I will be getting AB dash C dash triangle, which is similar triangle which I had to get. So let us write the steps of construction. Steps of construction. Step 1 is draw AB is equals to 5 centimeter. Next we have take BC is equals to 5 centimeter on compass. Draw BC is equals to 5 centimeter with compass, and AC is equals to 7 centimeter with compass. Both we are drawing with compass only, right? BC and CA. Compass and draw AC is equals to 7 centimeter with compass. Why are we choosing these dimensions only? Because these dimensions are given in the question. What is the second step we are doing here? The second step we are doing here is therefore triangle ABC is obtained, right? Triangle ABC is obtained. After drawing the triangle ABC, what do? We draw a ray AX, okay, which makes an acute angle with AB. So draw ray AX making an acute angle with AB. Making an acute angle with AB. Okay, next what are we going to do? We are going to, after drawing the ray, we have drawn AA1 is equals to A1A2 is equals to A2A3 is equals to A3A4. So mark AA1 is equals to A1A2. We are not changing the radius, right? All are equal. A2A3 is equals to A3A4 on ray AX. Okay. Next, what did we do? We have joined A4 with B. So join A4B. See, the steps are very easy. I'm just understanding and writing. Then draw a line parallel to A4B such that it meets A3 at B dash. Okay. Draw a line parallel to A4B. Draw A3 draw a line parallel to A4B such that it meets AB at B dash. Draw a line through B parallel to BC. That is the sixth step. Draw a line parallel to, this is a short form of parallel symbol, parallel to BC such that it meets AC at C dash. AC at C dash. Okay. What is my last step I have? After drawing this, I got my triangle. Therefore, triangle AB dash C dash is the required similar triangle that I have to write. So, 7th point is, therefore, triangle AB dash C dash is the required similar triangle to the given triangle. Required similar triangle to the given triangle. This finishes our all 8 questions of 8 marks. I have done a lot of hard work in making of this. So if you find this video helpful, then please like this video, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to this channel. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Stay blessed. All the best for your exams.